Heavenly Father, we came before you today with heart filled with gratitude and joy. Thank you for bringing us together to witness the beginning of a new chapter. Lord, you are the master builder and the foundation of everything.
So, I'm happy to work with you, the Lagunilla contractor. Ako ay lubos na salamat, nasisiyahan sa pagiging partner ng Lagunilla Contractor sa pangunguna ng dalawang nagwagwapuhan na architect, si Architect Oliver and Architect Ian.